Halinan lang dagdag belwan, ding mapilang estudyante ng University of the Assumption, king dinaw ng Campus Journalism Seminar Workshop ng Central Luzon Media Association o CLMA Pampanga Chapter, inya pong March 21, 2024. Nasa aning training atin temang Shaping the Future, the Power of Campus Journalism and Changing the World. Sanayan laring estudyante ang makalinya king pamamalita, karing mialiwang paralan at estilo agagamitan king pamanyulat at aliwapang dakening journalism. Penimuna ng CLMA Pampanga Chapter President Alberto Boy Santiago ang aguman king okasyon kaya Beribong Lacson, Albert Lacalale, Arnel San Pedro, Mark Allen Sison, JP Manalang, Gerald Gloton, Nelson Gonzalez at Chiki Kakala. Dinurot ka ring topics digil king editorial writing and cartooning, sports writing, copy reading, news writing, feature writing, science tech writing, photojournalism at layout, collaborative desktop publishing and seminar. Karing 82 estudyante at karing karelang apulong coaches. Metong nga naman, ang kakatamong talasuyo ay Jody Dizon Mercado karing migdaking belwan, dikil king radio and TV broadcasting. Makasaop kanu ing pamanarong iti kareng kayanakan, kareng paratang kompetisyon, partikular king Regional Schools Press Conference, bukod pa king paratang pamanimprenta ning UA Senior High School Publication, The Magnificat. Maragul naman ing pasalamat na ning principal ay Dr. Violi Santos at ing school paper advisor ay Princess Parungaw king Merapata Seminar Workshop. Asahan dang midawon pang pamag-training karing karelang estudyante karing daratang panawon.